Welcome to the free tour of the BACSS family. I'm Lo An, a Hong Konger. This is a real traditional anti-aging qigong lesson combining theory and practice. As I mentioned in the advertisement, the qigong is safe, natural, effective, efficient, theoretical, practical, and convenient. I will teach you step by step, and you have to practice it for about 20 minutes every day, and finally you could get younger and healthy. That's amazing. First of all, I think you do have lots of questions in your mind. Let me help you to fix them one by one. Question 1. What are the learning goals of this class? Understand the theory of BACSS, practice BACSS qigong, stay away from aging and illness. Question 2. You mentioned BACSS. What is it? Human is a holistic being. Theory of human manifesting themselves and linking with the outside world through BACSS, that is, our body, affective mind, cognitive mind, spirit, and soul. Question 3. What I will learn in this class? In these lessons, you are not taught about what is qi or qigong, as you could reach many of it in books and web. Instead, I will lead you to explore the integration of human being and qigong through 5 aspects. I type it BACSS. So we will learn what is BACSS, what is body, what is affective mind, what is cognitive mind, what is spiritual, what is soul, what is the relation between the 5 aspects, what is BACSS qigong, and how to practice BACSS qigong. Question 4. Why am I teaching this? Young and healthy are 2 eternal things that humans are chasing for after the 6th day of God's creation. I have been practicing BACSS qigong for over 13 years already, and I found that it is work, and I would like to share with you. Hope you could benefit too. I will try my best to let you believe 53 equal to 35. Maybe you still have more questions. That's great, because this may change your life forever. Join our BACSS family and see you in the class. Fight for you yourself. Chapter 1. What is BACSS? Life full of uncertainty, but you could grasp it. How? BACSS it. As a human, we are constructed and affected by 5 aspects. I name it the BACSS. That is the body, affective mind, cognitive mind, spiritual and soul. Human is a holistic being. We manifest ourselves and link with the outside world through our body, affective mind, cognitive mind, spirit and soul respectively. We have to maintain a good health, cherish nutrition, rest, and exercise. We have a balanced development of affective life, know how to cope with your emotion. We have a coherent cognitive mind, knowing your peaks of life. And finally, we have to uplift your spiritual literacy on the level of spirit and soul. Analogically speaking, body is an electric hot pot, affective mind is a mobile phone, cognitive mind is a computer, spirit is the electric box, and finally the soul is the solar power plant, which drew energy from the life origin of the universe. Keep the spirit and soul well connected. Maintain the solar power plant and life origin of the universe well and firmly connected. Now you have learned the structure of BACSS, and what we are now doing is BACSS education, a life reform education. Regarding the theory, you will know how to build your body, meet your affective mind, catch your cognitive mind, start your spiritual journey, and self-aware of your soul. Regarding the practice, there are 12 movements in the whole set of bars in qigong. I will build in 2 to 3 movements at the end of each chapter. After elaborating the whole theory of bars, a one-take video of the whole sets of the bar qigong will then present it to you. You could then practice yourself each day following it. You may find some movements are difficult at the beginning, but practice makes perfect. Please be patient to go through each chapter, integrating the theory and practice. Let us start. Bars your life.